What is going on with YouTube? This is Dave from Tech Refresh coming at you with another video. Today we're reviewing two cases in one video because they go together. We have the Wallet Slayer Volume 1 and the Wallet Slayer Volume 2, and actually they're very different in my opinion. And one I cared for, one not so much. This is for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Links to both cases will be down in the description. Because it's two cases, this video is going to be kind of lengthy, so strap up, let's go. All right, so let's start with Volume 1 of the Wallet Slayer. I kind of like this whole Volume 1, Volume 2 shenanigans Smartish is doing, but I didn't really care for this case all that much. It just had a little bit working against it for me. Let's snap it in, take a tour. And then we'll get into Volume 2 after we take that tour. All right, so Volume 1, let's see here if you guys could see. Camera focus, come on, focus, there you go. No? All right, sorry guys. All right, so you have, you know, the usual suspects. Cutouts are perfect, no complaints there. Then you do have grippy sides, which is good. And it has the like textured, not quite like Gripzilla, but it is like, it does have extra grip with these little notches, rolling notches here. So it does provide great grip. Case kind of goes off the rails as you move up on the side. These buttons are not good. I don't know if I got a defective case. I went on Amazon to look at reviews, and yeah, you do have people complaining about the buttons. These buttons are mushy. They don't really push in. It's a whole lot going on that I just do not like with these buttons. It's not the thickest case, so nice, easy access to the mute switch there. Clean on top. Then you have another button that's very mushy. So like, this is how I could tell that I just didn't like the button is when, you know, when you download an app on at the store and you gotta double push, you gotta push the button twice. It was rough. So not a fan of these buttons. I'm hoping maybe this is just like a defective one, but it's looking like these buttons are just not good. On the back, you have a wallet that fits 3 cards. And it fits 3 cards comfortably. You put a card in and let's see if we could just put one in. You could kind of feel when it kind of clicks in. So it is pretty dope when it comes to that. Fits 3 comfortably. That 4th one, don't do it. It's just too tight. So 3 cards comfortably. I couldn't get a connection with MagSafe with this, but some people are saying it's compatible. The material says it's compatible. I got it connected, but it was just so weak that I just wouldn't trust it. So it's not MagSafe friendly, but maybe just wireless charger, put it down friendly that way. Nice look. This is kind of sticks out. So the camera is very recessed in there. So it's good on that end. The protection, A1, no complaints there. Great fit. I just don't like the buttons. So I was kind of like, oh man, the Wallet Slayer Volume 1, and then Volume 2 rolled around, and I'm like, oh, okay, this is the one. This is the one that they knew their mistakes, Smartish. I see you correcting your mistakes with Volume 1. Volume 2 is good. Volume 2, let's get this snapped in here. Volume 2, now this is a dope case. This is A1. If you're into wallet cases, this one has an extra benefit that I'll show you guys. But this case feels outstanding. I don't know what this material is, but it's great. So same usual suspects down here. Let's make sure it's snapped in. Cutouts are A1, perfect. Nothing to see there, nothing to complain about there. When you go along the sides, it does have very grippy sides, and it is like grooved here. So it's just, they hit the nail on the head with even if it's not Gripzilla, still has grooves. The buttons are good. If you could hear them, I don't know if you could hear them, but the buttons are good. They're a complete opposite of Volume 1. So I think they knew their ways in Volume 1. So Volume 2 is good. Nice lock switch there, mute switch, easy to get in. Top's clean, sides, another good button. No complaints there. This one, it does work with MagSafe. I did use it with MagSafe. It's just not the greatest connection. That's where you run into the wallet. It does have some branding here. And another thing, the material on this one is just, I didn't like it. It's like that TPU bendable material. This feels like leather. I don't know. This is the Black Tie Affair version. Feels like leather. This is the star of the show. This wallet is good. Extra benefit. I'll show you guys in a second. And then you have the camera recessed in there. Great protection. Nothing to complain about there. Comes all the way around up above the screen. You could put it on its face. But so you can put 3 cards in here for, again, pushing it. But it has a, what are they calling it? Let me see. Volume 2. They are calling it a credit card kickstand. And it actually does work. Let me just get a card here. Put it in there. Let me just slide it in right here. And it works. It literally works. Like, it's a literal kickstand for your phone. You could use a card. I had a paper card using it, and it actually feels secure. So if you could see where you just swipe it, slide it in right there. Add extra benefit. I have never seen that before. So Smartish, you guys are geniuses over there. You really improved off of Volume 1 with Volume 2. This is a great case, man. I'm not the biggest fan of wallet cases because I've lost my wallet before. And I can't imagine it being with my phone. But if you love wallet cases, man, Volume 2 is the way to go. This is cool. It's stylish, feels great, great material. I have no complaints, nothing bad to say about this one. Volume 1, I would say you could probably skip it and just go straight to Volume 2. All right, get active in the comments. Let me know what you think. 2 for 1 today. All right, I'll get at you guys another time. Peace.